How to reset your Nordstrom password. Hi everybody and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are providing you with a step-by-step guide that we can follow up and we should be able to reset our Nordstrom account. So let's just dive right into the video and get started. So what we can do is we can go to their signing page officially. So open up nordstrom.com for that in your browser and look out for the profile option in the top right corner. And once we have to open it up, this is our following page. We can look out for the sign in option in the top right corner to access it up. Now, once we have accessed it up, what we can do is first of all enter up the email address that we used to create our account and look out for the next option and tap on it. And that should lead us to the next page where we can enter up our password. Now, if you ever forgotten your password or if you want to reset it, we can look out for the option called forgot password and tap on it. And that should lead us to another process. So first of all, we need to start by entering up our email that we used to create our account and tap on next. And we just need to enter up the code that we'll be receiving in Nordstrom. From Nordstrom. So open up the email and enter the code in this box. Once you have entered it up, right below it, we'll be finding a section where we can enter up a new password. So go ahead and enter up your new password. You can just go over and use a strong password and something easy to remember. So go ahead and enter it up and you can tap on the option called reset your password and confirm it up. And once you have reset your password, you can head back to the main Nordstrom sign-in page and you can enter up your new email, enter up your email and your new password to log in into your account. And that's it. If nothing else works, you can directly contact the customer support and they should also help you out. But usually this is the formal way. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more.